8 hours before kickoff. The streets around the stadium fill with thousands of fans in jerseys.
Music, food trucks, painted faces, flags from every country. This is World Cup match day.
Today, the English to describe and join this atmosphere. B2 level. Real fan culture.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William, with Sarah.
Match day in the World Cup is its own experience. Fans arrive hours before. Cities transform.
3 areas today. Describing the atmosphere. Greeting fans from other countries. Inside the stadium.
B2 level flowing, natural English.
Words to describe a great atmosphere. The atmosphere is electric. Energy is palpable everywhere.
Or, the place is buzzing. Lots of noise, conversation, anticipation.
It's a sea of color, when stadiums are filled with team jerseys, flags, scarves.
Other descriptions. The stadium is packed. Standing room only. Sold out.
Fans are in full voice, singing, chanting, celebrating loudly.
Outside before the match, the fan zone. Different from the stadium. Open to anyone with or without a ticket.
Fan zones have giant screens, food stalls, music, and merchandise. Common in host cities.
Specific terms. Tailgating, American word for pre-game gathering with food and drinks.
Tailgating started with American football, barbecues in stadium parking lots. World Cup will be similar.
Or, the pre-match buzz. The excited energy before kickoff. Hours of build-up.
Atmosphere descriptors. Electric. Buzzing. A sea of color. In full voice.
Crowd size. Packed. Standing room only. Sold out.
Locations. Fan zone. Public gathering area. Tailgating. American pre-game tradition.
Pre-match buzz, the build-up energy.
Now, meeting fans from other countries.
Greeting fans from other teams. Be friendly, the World Cup brings people together.
Easy opener. Hey, are you here for the match? Almost everyone is.
Or, who are you supporting today? If you see them in a jersey.
If they support the other team, friendly banter is welcome. Good luck, but my team is winning today.
Or, may the best team win. Classic sportsmanship phrase.
Photos with fans. Common. Everyone wants a memory. Could I take a photo with you?
Or, could you take a picture of us? If you want a photo with friends.
Cultural exchange. Where are you from? I'm from Argentina. I'm from Japan.
How long have you been here? 2 weeks, we're seeing 4 matches.
Which match was your favorite so far? Great conversation starter at any World Cup.
If someone is from the host country, locals often help tourists. Where's the best place to watch?
Inside the stadium. The atmosphere builds as kickoff approaches.
Team anthems play. Fans stand. Sing along or be respectful if you don't know the words.
Standing applause when teams enter the field. Cameras flashing. Roars and cheers.
When your team scores, celebrate loud. Hugging strangers nearby is totally normal.
When the other team scores, be a gracious loser. A small applause for great play is classy.
Halftime, chance to use bathrooms, grab food, talk with neighbors.
After the match, stay in your seat for a few minutes. Crowds exit slowly.
Win or lose, walking out together with thousands of fans is part of the experience.
Fan zone post-match, celebration or commiseration. Both are part of the culture.
Meeting fans. Are you here for the match? Who are you supporting? Where are you from?
Photos. Could I take a photo with you? Could you take one of us?
Sportsmanship. May the best team win. Polite classic.
Inside stadium. Stand for anthems. Cheer loud when your team scores. Applaud great play from opponents.
After the match. Stay seated briefly. Then walk out together. Win or lose.
Practice these B2 expressions.
The atmosphere is electric. The place is absolutely buzzing.
It's a sea of color in the stadium.
Who are you supporting today?
May the best team win.
Could I take a photo with you?
Quiz. What do you say?
The stadium is full. Everyone is loud. The energy is incredible.
The atmosphere is electric. Or, the place is buzzing. Both perfect.
You meet a fan in a different team jersey. Friendly conversation starter?
Hey, who are you supporting today? May the best team win.
You want a souvenir photo with fans from another country.
Could I take a photo with you? Almost always, yes.
Matchday atmosphere is half the World Cup experience. Be part of it.
Talk to fans from other countries. Make a memory beyond the score.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Enjoy the World Cup.